Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Encountering an invalid parameter error on Instagram can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to try and resolve this issue. So first thing first is check the internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can sometimes cause errors when loading content on Instagram. So after you check the internet connection, simply go to the settings in your mobile device. Now inside settings, simply go to the general. Now inside general, scroll down and tap on the background app refresh and make sure to refresh the Instagram background app. So simply turn on the background app refresh and go to the Instagram from the listed apps and toggle it on and off the background app refresh. So after you do this, simply go to the Instagram app and log into your Instagram account and go to your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 dashboard option available. Now inside 3 dashboard you will get to see the drop down menu. Scroll down and tap on the help. After you type down or tap on the help, you'll get to see a report a problem. Tap on the report a problem and there will a report a problem after shaking option available on your screen. Then simply tap on report a problem without shaking and continue with the process. And now reach out to the Instagram support team for further assistance. You can report the problem through the app or you can visit the Instagram's help center for additional support options. So write down or brief instructions of how you can't fix the Instagram invalid parameter error, and they will reach out to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.